Hello and welcome to Project Tools. In this presentation, we will be looking at how to define project classes and how to define project number formats. We start with Administration Manager, Project Tools Global Administration, Global Lists and Defaults, Edit Project Classifications. You'll see that we have a general classification. We can add a new classification for our project and we'll call it Standard Project. We will also make this our default project. One of the reasons why you create project classes is so that you can change the different numbering formats that are required by either your company or your client. It also allows you to change your defaults, and it allows you to set up the general way in which you'd like your project numbering system to look. So we have now defined a project class. We'll close this now and we'll go into formats. If we look at project numbers, in our general default, you can see that the project number is defaulted to 4. It can be exactly 4 or not to exceed a certain number from 1 to 10. So we'll cancel and close this. We'll then go to Standard Project. Now for us, what we'd like to do for this demonstration is change this to 5 with an exact length. We will now save and close. Yes. We can then go to our document numbering system. And if we look at the general, the project default is 4. Then we have a separator, and this is how our standard general default is listed. For our standard project, our level is now 5. So we'll accept that. Our level 1, we'll put a separator in. Any of these symbols are acceptable. We'll just use the dash for this. We'll make this one our discipline. And we need it to be 2 digits. We then place a link, separator. We'd like this to be our area. It's going to have 5. Another separator. This will be our drawing number. And it will have the maximum of 8. And at the end, we will put a sequence and we will allow this to have 3 digits. Now you can see how our standard format for standard projects will look. I can close this now. We can also have a look at our WBS codes should they be required. Once again, we check the general. It shows that the project number is 4, and this is how this has been set up with unit, facility, discipline, and sequence. Cancel and close. We look at standard project, and now our project definition is 5, and we can go through the WBS codes if they were required. In the same way as we set up our numbering format, we can call this whatever we'd like with as many digits as we'd like. Once again, with 1 to 6 digits. So we don't need that for now, so we'll cancel and close. And as you can see, it's quite simple to set up your project classes and to find your project number formats. We can close this down now. And that concludes this presentation. So thank you for watching, and please remember to contact our support team on their email address, support@projecttools.com, should you require any further information. Thank you.